We've got a lot of stuff to do. There's nothing like trying to pack one day before you have to leave for vacation and making sure that you don't forget a single thing. And FYI, I did forget stuff. Okay, let's go. I don't have anything else to say. I am literally getting ready to go on vacation. I leave tomorrow morning and we're working with a bit of a mess. Ooh. Yeah, literally I spent the weekend at Jabari's and I did laundry on Friday, which I didn't put away. I did a little shopping. I just have stuff everywhere right now, which is really unlike me. I actually did try to start this video early today. I went to Target, but I just woke up from a nap, so the energy really wasn't kind of there. Hi guys, we are at Target. I think they're remodeling. They just put like yellow tape up. Anyway, we're going in to get a few last minute things before I go on vacation. He's not going. I am. Okay, let's go. I don't have anything else to say. No, wait. I genuinely thought these were blueberry waffles. I mean, the packaging is kind of deceiving. I guess if it's my only option, I'll get it. That was a success. Just said bye to Bari, loaded the car, go home, eat, pack, leave in the morning. I'm packing now because I can. But here we are. I bought two things off of Amazon. Let me get them because we're gonna open it. Unboxing moment right now because I didn't need these things. I wanted these things because they'll make my life better. So it's a tripod! Hey! I know, I feel like anticlimactic. I'm sorry if you were really hyped up for something. The last one I had, I'm pretty sure I ended up dropping it down my college stairwell and that's why it broke. Which is fine. But I always use my ring light as my tripod and I know my family is going to want family photos. And then also this is like good to have. You can literally see, it says it's a travel bag and basically, oh, the crinkling is really annoying. Cool. You put all your electronics in here and it will keep it nice and like organized, which I just have a lot of random electronics because of like vlogging and stuff. So this will be good to have. I'm trying to organize like the tab dividers, right? Did not do a Target haul, so I'm gonna do one now. I bought some groceries, which I'm not going to show except for this one because it's here. This is my favorite energy drink, second favorite. It's V8 Sparkling Plus Energy. Some people will say it tastes like fruits and vegetables. There is one serving of it in here, but it's good if you like struggle to get that in. I bought another bathing suit for vacation, just this plain white one. Literally, I tried to find swim at the mall yesterday. No one has anything else, so I got a mini body wash, didn't want to bring a full size. I desperately needed a new beauty blender. The Sonia Kashuk one is pretty and also wanted to try something different. Oh frick, I forgot this was in here too. I got 2 lemons. I like lemon water in the morning. And a Tide to Go stick. Mine dried out. You never know when you need these. Ladies and gentlemen, her. Watch me put things away and then pull things out. Enjoy this time lapse. This is what I like to call organized chaos. There is no rhyme or reason or anything. We have PJs, we have comfy clothes, styled outfits, nighttime outfits, potential date outfit, workout outfit, bathing suits, towels. Like, it's organized, but it's still chaos. So I'm gonna pack this up, put the items, these are the no-no items, just didn't make it in, that's okay. Got a blast. Time to go. Morning walk, nothing crazy, even though I'm literally out of breath. That's my morning voice. But I thought I would walk up to the water. This path felt like the right way, and seeing that rabbit was kind of like validation